Hey everybody, today's video is going to show you how I changed some things around in my living room because of this dilemma. Oh my gosh, it gets so dark down here. Like, I can't even understand why they didn't put no ceiling lights down here. We gonna fix this. We gonna fix this for real. We gonna fix this. This is the only light I have. Like, I can't deal with this. Here's a before picture of the layout that I'm going to be working with in the video so you can see what I'm going to be reconstructing. Sets it up again. I have a super nice room, but no ceiling lights and one little lamp over there. What's my solution? Where is my solution? I got a nice strip of LED lights that split into two that I'm going to magically put into this room and make it new. So just watch me do my thing. First, I'm just treating the wall, wiping down all the dust and making sure that it's clean for the strips. Okay, here we go. So, I'll sit you right here. I feel like this is the best place. Yeah. I wonder what this controller does. Ooh! Just changes the color on it. Okay. Let's see how much I can extend. For the specific LED strips that I got, they were 2 strips, and they are connected in the middle by a remote control you can stick on the wall. And this remote control is great because if you actually lose the handheld remote control, you have this wall remote control that I have in my hand now that is controlled by a handheld by the black nub that you see in my hand just now. So it is important where you place it on the wall because you want it to be in an open, accessible area and not blocked by any furniture. So I had messed up where I placed it at first, but just make sure that when you are putting your LED strips out, you will make sure you put that remote control to stick on the wall in a place where it can be easily accessed by the handheld remote control. It's just important to think about because it's a part of the LED placement plan that you want to have. And I had to go back in the end to put it in a specific spot where I'll show you. I have no issues with the darkness no more because, oh dear, oh, I'm turning it the wrong direction. Because I got some LEDs, yeah. Oh, ooh, that's scary. Either way, LEDs all day and night. I got LEDs, yeah, they so bright. It's a dance party. Oh my gosh. I like this. Oh, you see what I'm working with? Oh, I like that color. I just need to block this. After you've checked your general motion and range from your handheld remote controller to your wall remote to your plug in and you see that everything works and that you're set up for success and you have a great dance party and you enjoy the lighting that you've created for yourself, I hope you give yourself a pat on the back and knock out because you're successful. Yeah. As always, thank you for watching me affirm myself and keeping it cute, letting me see myself grow, and watching the show. Yeah, bye.